Hello, you're free to Josh at AMS. Today I'm going to show you around our Grey Speclift we currently have for sale. It's a 210 horsepower, absolutely fully loaded Iveco daily, 7.2 tonne. This has every single option from factory, plus we've obviously done some extra bits and pieces. What I'll do is I'll go around firstly and walk around and show you around. The main features are, this has the USA spec Miller Speclift, CENTRY equipment. It's got the extension as well on the boom with the 2x Ramsey winches, and this is all controlled by remote and also by the levers on each side of the vehicle. It's also got the dollies on the rear, which are from the USA also. This is all proper USA spec. You've also got the spare wheel fitted just above there as well, so it's out the way of everything. Fully blacked out wheels, full metallic grey paint job, and it's also got the lovely flyer with our branding on, all LED brake lights. The light bar on the roof has the stock tail indicators, etc. I mean, that was from Redtronic, and that was, I think, nearly £2,000 on its own. Work lights absolutely everywhere, and it's also been to LA light bars and had over £6,000 worth of light and put on it. Additionally, on top of what we do, so it also has the blue lights underneath. Full LED headlights are on this spec. It's got the full LED fog lights as well. As you can see, laser lights which are controlled on the fog light as well. So we've currently got the full beam on, and they're all fully working with that. You've got the lovely sun visor also, grille repeaters. This has been absolutely fully specced out. Inside wise, it's got the full 4-seat conversion in the rear. Most importantly, in the front as well, in terms of spec, it has the 2-seat configuration. The main reason we've gone for this is it gives you enough space to put equipment down here, maybe if you want to put a fridge or something. You've also got, as you can see there, it has the heated seat on the passenger side, and it's a suspended seat. So you've got 2x suspended seats with heated seat function, and it has the winter pack, so the seats are insulated extra. It has a heated air intake on the actual engine itself. Leather steering wheel, it has heated windscreen. It also has the WEBASTO heater for night times as well, just there. You've also got the air suspension on this, of course, from factory, which you would expect on this kind of level of equipment. Full Apple CarPlay. You can also have a reversing camera fitted to this if required. You've got the climate control, you've got the tacho down as well, which of course you need. And also another neat feature as well, which not every single one of them has, you've got the up there, you've got the proper storage system, which is for your notepads, whatever else you need. You've got your full aux beam system up there as well, and Redtronic system for the light bar. That light bar can go any colour you want. This is a fully customizable system. PTO is already on. I've set it to 1500 revs, which is enough to use this vehicle, which I will go around in a second. The toolboxes, I'll just open them up now for you. You've got a full socket set in there. You've got the air compressor just hidden in there also. As you can see, all the toolboxes and everything have been fully painted inside as well. Everything's been done to the highest standard. There's a jack included also, and some connectors also for jumping. And as you can see in there as well, we've neatly put the little place just so that then your jack doesn't roll around if you're using it. This side. Again, Anderson connectors, slots for different pieces. That's for a jump pack, for example, so you've got all the slots you need. And then this final one, you're going to have a couple of tools which are going to come with it as well, and there's charging places in here for them as well. So it's got literally everything. And the air compressors on the passenger side, as you can see, really easy to get to. And as you can see on these paint jobs I was saying about on the insides, all the doors have been done, absolutely everything, really high standard. You've also got the side indicating markers at the bottom. As you can see also we've put the galvanised on here to stop anything damaging it or anything like that, and it just makes it look so much nicer. As you can see on here, it will take some time to do this going in and out, but I will show you how it works. This is your control panel. You've got one each side, and you've also got a wired controller inside, which is all connected also. So now all the boom is in on the rear, very easy to bring up. So bring it up with this control just here. That just comes up nicely out the way. This, of course, doing it like that just gives you that extra bit of space you need underneath. You've also got your chains on the rear as well, hidden up each side of the spec. As you probably saw on the last one, we can also make tow bar attachments, etc. It just completely depends on what you're planning on doing with it and what you need doing. Because of course, the sky's your limit on this sort of stuff. We can make a million different things for it. It costs money, so whatever you need, we can do it. But it's a good base as it is right now, obviously, for you to do the work on, and we can put whatever you need on there, really. Air suspension on the rear axle, very easy to use. You just jump in the cab, you've got it just here. Down and up, drive mode, manual mode, and you can use it to load auto and soft. So I'm just going to bring it up all the way so you can see how it works. It might already be high, but that's as high as it goes. It is coming down very gradual. As low as it goes. Yeah, that's pretty much a show around, really, the basics of the truck. Any questions whatsoever, do give me a message. We've got it currently priced up as a pre-order price of $155,000 plus the VAT. As it sits, that will come with a couple of tools like we mentioned, all the jacks, air compressor, etc. as it comes. That also comes with the upgraded warranty to 3 years of limited mileage. That's included in the cost. Alternatively, you can have the 3-year 100,000 mile with 2 free services. It's up to you which one you want to go for. And yeah, it'll be ready for the Tow Show 2024, really. That's the main bit. Pick it up after the show. It's pretty much ready to go. If there is any alterations we need to do, anything you need in terms of adjustments, we'd need to know now to essentially get it ready. So yeah, we'd rather get it pre-ordered and sold than leave it to the show and then have to bring it back, if you know what I'm saying. Any questions at all, give me a message. Thank you very much, and I'll speak to you soon.